Even for those who love cooking, spending hours in the kitchen every time can be a bit much. Luckily, there are plenty of gadgets designed to save you time and make meal prep easier. In this video, we'll show you 21 must-have kitchen gadgets. Let's get started. This versatile stainless steel rack rolls out over your sink when needed and conveniently stores away when not in use. The non-slip rubber grips ensure stable positioning, while the rust-resistant construction provides lasting durability. More than just a dish rack, this multi-purpose tool serves as a colander for produce, a heat-resistant trivet for hot cookware, and an extra prep station for meal preparation. The space-saving design expands your counter space without permanent installation. This kitchen tool features an advanced fan spray atomizing nozzle that delivers a perfectly consistent, ultra-fine mist with each spray. Every stroke dispenses exactly 0.04 ounces of oil, giving you complete control over your calorie intake while ensuring even coverage. Engineered for reliability, this premium sprayer includes a built-in filter system that prevents clogging and features a leak-proof anti-drip trigger. The secure buckle design makes it perfect for both kitchen use and outdoor activities like barbecues and picnics. Crafted from high-quality glass, this durable 200 milliliter bottle is built to last and designed for easy refilling. Crafted from premium thick stainless steel, this rust-resistant and scratch-resistant rack is built to last, with an impressive load capacity of up to 66 pounds and 4 sturdy suction cups to prevent slipping. Experience the ultimate in kitchen convenience with a 3-tier design that includes dedicated spaces for utensils, cutting boards, sponges, and 8 utility hooks. This all-in-one rack is a game-changer for small kitchens and apartments, providing ample storage for plates, bowls, pots, towels, and even fruits and vegetables. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to streamlined kitchen organization with the HOWDIA over-the-sink dish drying rack. Elevate your pizza-making game with the OUII Perforated Pizza Peel, a game-changing kitchen tool designed for pizza perfectionists. Its perforated design does more than just look great. Those strategic holes allow steam to escape, ensuring a crispy crust while preventing burnt flour taste and reducing dough sticking. Experience unparalleled convenience with the unique adjustable and swiveling handle that extends to a full 25 inches, protecting you from oven burns and providing maximum maneuverability. The lightweight aluminum construction allows you to move pizzas with incredible ease, while the compact design makes storage a breeze. Crafted with precision using premium German 1.4116 stainless steel, these ultra-sharp, full-tang knives represent the pinnacle of cutting-edge technology and outstanding craftsmanship. This comprehensive 15-piece set includes everything a home cook or professional chef could dream of: an 8-inch chef knife, slicing knife, santoku knife, serrated bread knife, utility knife, paring knife, 6 steak knives, kitchen shears, and a stunning acacia wood block with a built-in knife sharpener. Each knife undergoes rigorous dishwasher testing with an exclusive anti-rust technology that ensures lasting performance. This mat provides ample space for draining dishes, pots, pans, fruits, and vegetables, while its clever design includes a convenient hook for easy hanging and the ability to roll up for compact storage. Crafted from premium silicone, the mat features a non-slip design with raised wide ridges that enhance air circulation and protect your countertops. The strategic side walls keep your kitchen clean and dry while preventing delicate items like glassware from sliding around. Use it as a refrigerator liner, coffee maker mat, air fryer liner, or oven bottom protection. These elegant chairs transform any space, from kitchen islands to entertainment areas, with their classic lines and high-grade faux leather upholstery. Designed with your comfort in mind, these bar stools feature soft, spring-back cotton cushions and a supportive metal footrest. The generously sized backrest provides 12.2 inches of support, ensuring you can sit back and relax in total comfort. With a robust construction that supports up to 300 pounds, these stools are as strong as they are stylish. Experience ultimate flexibility with adjustable height ranging from 22.83 to 32.68 inches and a full 360-degree swivel seat. This thoughtfully designed 9-piece set delivers both exceptional functionality and elegant style to your culinary space. Engineered for durability, these hand-sanded wooden utensils are densely grained and incredibly strong, outperforming traditional silicone or bamboo options. The set includes everything you need: a flat spatula, fried spatula, slotted spatula, strainer spoon, salad fork, salad spoon, mixing spoon, plus a convenient utensil holder and spoon rest. Experience unparalleled convenience with the spoon holder, featuring a leak hole to prevent water accumulation. Each utensil comes with a convenient hanging hole, allowing for easy storage on a cutlery rack or kitchen hook. This 2-pack of wire baskets brings together functionality, durability, and versatility in one exceptional storage system. Crafted with premium metal materials and featuring food-grade thick bamboo tops, these baskets are more than just storage. They're a multifunctional kitchen essential. Each 13.66 by 10.7 by 8-inch basket provides ample space for fruits, vegetables, bread, canned goods, and kitchen essentials, with stable feet for secure placement. Experience the unique design difference with strategically placed handles. One basket features a low handle, the other a high handle. This ingenious approach allows for secure stacking, with the high handle locking the baskets together seamlessly. Designed with a tight stainless steel filter and robust motor, this juicer effortlessly extracts juice from oranges, lemons, and grapefruits with remarkable ease. Featuring 2 interchangeable cones that accommodate everything from tiny limes to large grapefruits, this juicer ensures no fruit goes to waste. The design includes a transparent juice container and an anti-drip spout that gives you complete control over your juice extraction. Experience unparalleled convenience with the ultra-sensitive switch that requires minimal pressure to activate. Simply press the cone lightly to start juicing and release to stop, saving you time and energy every morning. This comprehensive set tackles clutter in bathrooms, pantries, offices, and beyond, providing a seamless storage solution for every space in your home. Crafted with durability in mind, these storage bins feature reinforced metal handles and sturdy construction that maintains their shape through constant use. The sleek, dark gray design adds a touch of elegance to any room, while providing practical storage for cosmetics, toiletries, pantry essentials, and small items. From kitchen shelves to bathroom cabinets, these versatile baskets adapt to your organizational needs. These clear pet drawers offer a smart, versatile approach to keeping your home perfectly organized. Measuring 12 inches long and 7.5 inches wide, each drawer features a clever groove design that allows for secure stacking up to 15 pounds. The transparent construction lets you instantly see your stored items, while built-in sliding rails and anti-slip silicone pads ensure smooth, stable operation. Versatility is key with these multi-use organizers. From pantry and refrigerator to bathroom and bedroom, these drawers adapt to any space. Store snacks, canned goods, drinks, cosmetics, medicines, and more with ease. Say goodbye to flimsy, disposable kitchen tools and hello to the Home Hero Kitchen Utensils Set, a comprehensive 54-piece collection designed to transform your cooking experience. Crafted with premium stainless steel and silicone, these utensils are built to last, eliminating the frustration of constantly replacing melted or broken kitchen tools. This set includes everything a home chef could dream of: measuring cups and spoons, skimmer, slotted spatula, garlic press, cheese knife, tea strainer, wine opener, potato peeler, and so much more. More than just a collection of tools, this set is an invitation to culinary creativity. These 15-inch mitts provide unparalleled coverage, safeguarding your hands and forearms up to an impressive 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Crafted from premium, food-grade silicone with a unique honeycomb-textured surface, these mitts deliver exceptional grip and protection. The set includes full-length oven mitts, convenient trivets, and mini pinch mitts, giving you complete versatility in kitchen protection. Waterproof and stain-resistant, these mitts can be easily machine-washed and dried. Unlike traditional cotton mitts, the Rorecay set features a premium natural cotton quilted liner that provides comfort, control, and dexterity. Designed with innovative wall-mounting adhesive technology, this caddy installs effortlessly on any clean, dry surface without drilling or tools. Featuring a clever self-draining basket design, the caddy keeps your toiletries dry and hygienic. 3 spacious tiers provide ample storage for shampoos, soaps, and shower essentials, while 4 movable hooks offer additional space for towels and accessories. Engineered for durability, this rust-resistant, waterproof caddy is built to withstand moisture and maintain its sleek appearance. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these versatile clips transform how you display and organize your space. Hang photos, calendars, keys, and more with ease. Each of the 12 clips comes with protective, transparent pads to prevent scratches on your surfaces while maintaining powerful magnetic grip. From whiteboards to refrigerators, these rust-resistant clips keep your spaces neat and stylish. Designed for maximum functionality and aesthetic appeal, FINDMAG magnetic clips offer an elegant way to declutter and personalize any environment. Elevate your culinary experience with the Hiware bamboo cutting board, a spacious 18-inch by 12-inch surface designed for all your kitchen needs. Crafted from natural organic bamboo, this eco-friendly board offers a sustainable alternative to plastic cutting surfaces. Featuring a meticulously polished, smooth finish, the board provides a knife-friendly surface that prevents blade damage. The innovative juice groove catches excess liquids, keeping your countertop clean. Convenient inner handles and a hanging hole make storage a breeze. This set features 25 reusable cloths in delightful fruit-inspired patterns, each measuring 10 by 10 inches and crafted from 100% cotton flannel. Say goodbye to endless paper towel waste and hello to a greener cleaning solution. Each cloth can be used over 10,000 times, potentially replacing tens of thousands of disposable paper towels. The highly absorbent cotton flannel becomes even more effective after initial washes, quickly absorbing water while drying rapidly between uses. Versatility is key with these paperless towels. Use them in the kitchen, bathroom, nursery, or anywhere you'd typically reach for a disposable towel. Powered by a robust 1100-watt motor, this incredible kettle boils a full 1.7 liters of water in minutes, delivering unparalleled efficiency that's 50% faster than traditional stovetop methods. Safety meets innovation with advanced features designed to protect you and your family. The built-in auto shut-off and boil-dry protection technology ensures the kettle switches off automatically when water reaches boiling point or when no water remains, giving you complete peace of mind. Crafted with durability and style in mind, the OVENTE electric kettle features a sleek stainless steel concealed heating element that extends the kettle's lifespan. Designed to transform unused door and wall spaces, this versatile storage system offers 6 adjustable layers that can effortlessly accommodate everything from tentacles and beverages to your favorite snacks. Engineered for durability, this pantry organizer features a thickened, reinforced frame capable of supporting up to 50 pounds. Whether you're storing large glass jars, heavy shakers, or canned goods, this robust rack has you covered. Its waterproof and anti-rust design ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable addition to any kitchen. Crafted with 100% natural sisal bristles sourced from Mexico's Palmyra and sisal plants, this brush is designed to tackle tough dishwashing challenges while protecting your precious kitchenware. Made from FSC-certified bamboo, the Vove dish brush is more than just a cleaning tool. It's a commitment to sustainable living. The ergonomic design features a comfortable handle and 2.54 centimeters long bristles that effortlessly reach into every nook and cranny of pots, pans, dishes, and water bottles. Whether you're scrubbing stubborn food residue or giving your kitchenware a gentle clean, This brush delivers exceptional results.